Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be looking at some pickled eggs I did. Now they've been in the refrigerator soaking. I figured it up, well I had Google figure it up, 42 days or 6 weeks or 1 month, 11 days. Okay, they've been in there quite some time. If you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at some pickled eggs that I've been soaking in pickle juice for a month and a half. I have done pickled eggs and with red beets, and the color gets darker. I didn't know if it's going to be the same with the pickle juice or not, but it's real simple. Get yourself some pickles, eat the pickles, keep the juice. Go ahead and get one of these bad boys out. They don't want to come out. Oh, I'll break that one apart. There we go. Well, you can just see from the little part I picked off, or broke off, or tore off, that really didn't go the whole way through. See, I figured the pickle juice make it a darker color the whole way down to the yolk. But the important thing is the taste. It has a strong pickle smell, I can tell you that much. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's definitely good. I like it. But there's no difference in it than what it was when I did them for like a week. So soaking them longer ain't gonna give them a stronger taste or stronger color. It's gonna keep them the same. So now we know. Soak them long enough, maybe a week, 3-4 days, you know, something like that. And they're gonna taste just the same as you do them for a month. So, you know, now you can have your pickled eggs a little sooner than later. Hopefully you found this video useful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.